Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is 10th of May and it's our 16th wedding anniversary. As you can see, we are traveling. We left Mysore at 5:30 a.m. to Kabini. We enjoy early morning drives mostly because the weather at this time is always very pleasing. As you can already see that it's so foggy, the roads are empty and this picturesque backdrop is so soothing for eyes. Who doesn't love this view and feel? Oh, look at my cutie pie sharing the backseat of the car and napping peacefully. I'm loving this phase of their life where they're learning to share and care for each other. Yay, finally we are entering the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. It is kind of a checkpost. We had to enter few details and they issued us a entry ticket for rupees 20. Our first sighting, a big herd of deers. Hi monkey.
Wow. She is not interested to see. I'm very interested. This forest is the best.
Another reason for us to travel early today was that we knew that we would be passing through Nagarhole Tiger Reserve and the chances of sighting wild animals is usually more during early mornings and we weren't disappointed.
Lion photo. We didn't see tiger. What is it? Who is it? Very different. Wow. Hey, what is it?
We have booked our stay at Megamalar Premium Cottages located at Manantawadi, which is about 127 kilometers from Mysore via Nagarhole route. चल रहे
Anyways, no cooking. But after
क्रिकेट खेळता सत्रे
yeah.
सन्नी असं सेटअप करता असं ग्राउंड
Drink it.
पिच टेस्ट करता असत
I can do something. What's food? So small. If it looks like a small cat. Oh, but in this,
म्यूजिक Yay, we have arrived, but way early, like 8:30 in the morning, though our check-in was at 12 noon. We did not expect the traveling to be so smooth and short. And my, just at the first look of the property, we fell in love with it. So calm, scenic, and gorgeous.
this is actually live.
Oh, peacock! Can you hear the peacock?
Can you push me, Baba? Dada, can you push? No, hi. Hi, guys.
Here is our cottage tour. We loved the rooms. The best part about it was it came with one king bed and one single bed, so we all could sleep comfortably. It also comes with outdoor open kitchen. I loved the concept. If anyone is planning to visit Kabini, I would highly recommend this place as it is relatively new and budget friendly. Secondly, the washrooms were neat and clean with 24 hours hot water, which is the most important thing for us whenever we travel.
Hi, happy anniversary.
Dada?
We paid 2700 per day per cottage for 4 of us. They also have packages with food, but we preferred otherwise as we love to explore food from different places. Like I mentioned earlier, our actual check in was at 12 noon, but the host was very kind and let us to check in by 9 am. This is the outdoor open kitchen I mentioned earlier. The vibes are just delightful. Later, we learned that we were the only guest at that time, so no hassle, and we had the whole property for ourselves. We came here and crashed about for 2 or 3 hours because we were so sleepy. Yeah, there's a barbecue set over there too. How is the property?
It is nice.
What do you like the most here?
I can't tell. It's all nice.
Oh, I
I
wish.
like that swinging chair.
Yeah, I wish the swimming pool was ready. By now we would have been inside.
But we're going to the river.
After a short nap, we were all starving, so we went out in search of food and came to this restaurant. Since it was just half past 11, the meals weren't ready. We decided to hop into the snacks bar and have some light snacks before we could have our lunch.
This ah.
कैसे ऐसा पता? बड़ा Finally, meals served. Fish meals is our go to food always whenever we are in Mangalore, Kerala, or Goa. This one. I kind of enjoyed this system, especially in Kerala, where the waiters bring a plate full of assorted fish fries and we can choose whichever fish we like. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಡು ಹಾಂ
How's the taste?
Sam is vlogging. That's a shocker for me when I saw the footage.
Cake. You just come outside, and I just bought cake for our 16th wedding anniversary. That this eats as a class full wife. Bye bye. See you later. There you go. Hi.
On our way back, we saw few people selling these huge katla fishes by the river
Is
banks,
it Kabini river?
and we couldn't stop but capture it on our camera. Later, we got back to our cottage, freshened up, started to explore the property, and spent quality time with the kids. Abby wanted to play the flying disc, so we played to our heart's content. You have to hold like that with two hands.
Yeah. Papa. Papa.
Around 3 pm, we decided to visit a nearby water spot. Forgive my pronunciation, I guess it's called as Kudal Kadavu Check Dam. As you all know how much Abby is fond of playing in water.
I'm so happy to go play. You'll wake her up, Mama. Because she was supposed to play now. in the water. We can't keep her in our arms and do something.
The waterfalls was looking exciting and Abby wished to go near it. So I was checking for the depth and like any other place where the river flows, the rocks were too slippery. So Sam stayed with Chloe at the safety of the banks and I took Abby close to the falls. Though it was very challenging, somehow we conquered it.
Chloe na, Chloe na. You want to go there?
Chloe, Chloe, udah kan kalta sa to? Ojo babu? Oh, wow, nice.
And then I put my leg on top and I said she was there.
Oh, very nice. It's bit of relief to see Chloe's changed behavior towards water. She has finally started to enjoy playing in water. We played for as long as we could and clicked a lot of pictures and wrapped up once the sun started to set. On our way back, we were all longing to eat and drink something hot. As we were all wet and cold from head to toe, so we went back to the same snacks bar and had hot fritters and tea. Around quarter to nine, Sam called me out for the cake cutting and he had arranged this small and cute surprise and I was overwhelmed with joy as these small gestures actually mean a lot and contribute towards a healthy married life.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Thank you, Sam, for all the love and care that you shower upon me to make me feel really special. Happy 16th wedding anniversary, my love.
And it feels sweet to you too.
Thank you.
Oh.
The white forest cake was really delicious. I highly recommend. Anyone with sweet tooth must try cakes from Cake World. Dinner time. Simple yet delicious. Even so more because of the outdoor seating and the weather was alluring. This is late into night after we put the kids to sleep. We took some lone time, just two of us, sipping on some fresh lemonade and pondering on best moments from past 16 years of our togetherness.
When life gives you lemon, make juice out of it.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Open kitchen.
That's it for today's vlog. Please stay tuned to my channel for the day 2 of trip to Kabini. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe. God bless.